Are you ready for it? Here are 9 magical signs that money is coming your way. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and Alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We believe on this channel that you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness that you depend on. And so today we're talking about money. Money comes through the universe and then eventually through people. The source of money, because money is a vibration, high flyers, the source of money is the universe. It's so important to understand that, because so many people say, well, money comes through my job. Money comes through people. Money comes through my boss. No, money comes, anytime you receive money, you give thanks to the universe, because the universe has provided you exactly what you need at that moment. Now, you may desire to have more, and more money may be coming into your life. And if you have one of these signs, I call them magical signs, because they're magical, because if you are practicing one of the things that we're going to talk about, or one of the signs has happened to you, then it's a surefire indication that money, lots of money, is coming your way. So high flyers, before we go any further, let me just say this. You must have clear intentions. That goes without saying. If you don't know what it is you desire, the kind of home you want to live in, the kind of cars you want to drive, the kind of vacations you want to take, the kind of money you want in your bank account, if you don't know that, if you don't have clear intentions, it doesn't make any difference how many signs are showing up for you. You need to first have clear intentions. So the first sign is that you are all of a sudden noticing that you like paying it forward. You actually get enjoyment out of helping other people. Maybe you're buying people their coffee at Starbucks. Maybe you're just sending an anonymous gift to someone, but you're paying it forward because you understand that as you pay it forward, as you give more of yourself, the universe is cycling that back, but it's being amplified because you are the micro universe, the small universe, and you are cycling that energy into the big universe, and it's coming back to you. It's a good feeling. So in my own personal journey, I struggled with money. I made a lot of money, then I made no money. Then I made a whole bunch of money, then I didn't make so much money. And I realized that I lacked the inner reality of abundance, the inner reality of prosperity. Once I began to understand that money was just too damn easy to make, that money came from a variety of sources, but it always originated with the universe. Once I understood this, high flyers, then money began to flow into my life easily and effortlessly. It will in your life too. So if you are shifting your inner reality to a reality of abundance rather than a reality of poverty or want or need, then increased amounts of money are soon to follow. High flyers, money comes into your life because you fulfill a need in someone else's life. So when Henry Ford invented the automobile and made lots of them, he was fulfilling a need by the people at that time to have a car that they could drive around in. You know, whoever invented the buggy whip, I have no idea, but whoever invented it came up with the idea, said, hey, I got an idea how to make these horses go a little bit faster. You'll get there a little sooner. The point is that everything that brings you wealth fulfills a need in someone else's life. Simple as that. If you desire to attract more money, then you are automatically looking for ways to fulfill people's needs, to help people out. And that's a huge sign. That's a magical sign that money, a lot of it, is coming your way. So high flyers, maybe you're like me and you thought that, well, really, if you really want to be spiritual, if you really want to lead a spiritual life, you had to be poor. You had to be broke. You had to be destitute. And some people still believe that. But when you fall in love with the vibration of money, with what it can do for your life, what it can do for your health, what it can do for your family, what it can do for your neighbors, your community, what it can do for the world, when you fall in love with the vibration of money and you realize it, you wake up one day and you go, I love the vibration of money. Oh man, that's a huge sign that wealth and abundance and money are about to flow into your life big time. So I always hear people say, Robert, I desire to make more money in my life. I desire to be wealthy, but I need to think about it. I need to make a decision maybe next week, maybe after the first of the year, I'll make a decision. Listen, money loves speed. When you act with inspired action, money loves that. The vibration of money gets absolutely turned on by the vibration of energy, enthusiasm, and speed. And so moving fast is one way to attract more cash in your wallet. So high flyers, one of the things I learned in reading Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich is that successful people make up their mind quickly and change their mind slowly. And unsuccessful people make up their mind slowly and change their mind quickly. They're vacillating all over the place. If you are one of those people that now realizes you have the ability to make up your mind quickly and move forward with it, if you're one of those people that can do that, then that's a huge magical sign. Because you see, when I say magical, I mean it's tapping into an energy. It's tapping into a force, and it's bringing money into your life. High flyers, successful people, people that have a lot of money flowing into their life, they take control of their subconscious mind. Look at you. You may not know exactly what's in your subconscious. You may have an idea of some of the limiting beliefs and doubts and fears that are in your subconscious mind, but you may not know all of them. When you take control of your subconscious mind, I mean, cash just literally seems to rain down from heaven. It's absolutely incredible. I want you to visit miraclehypnosisonline.com. That's miraclehypnosisonline.com. We have some programs that will help take your subconscious mind and turn it into a money machine. You can try the program for 7 days free. There's 25 different programs there. You'll find one that you absolutely love. miraclehypnosisonline.com. One of the highest vibrations that a person can be in is in a state of gratitude. I am so grateful for all the blessings, for all the prosperity, for all the money, for all the joy, for all the love, for all the abundance that has come into my life. And when you're in that state of consciousness, you are a magnet for abundance. You are a magnet for good things, including a lot of money. That's a huge sign that money is coming into your life. And number 9 is you realize that the God force power of the universe flows through you, that you are a co-creator of your reality, that the thoughts you think become reality. That's important, because if you've reached that state of consciousness, high flyers, you are a money magnet. Money is coming into your life quickly and effortlessly. Now here's some other videos I know are going to help you on your journey.